Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will teach you how to download Geometry Dash on your PC. But before we do this, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. So this will be a very simple tutorial. All you have to do is get on your browser and search for BlueStacks. So just enter that and then click on the first link that you find, or whatever link this is, bluestacks.com. So here you can search for games, whatever game you want, but for now let's search Geometry Dash. And as you can see, they have the Geometry Dash games on here. All you have to do is click on any of them, whatever you want, tap on it, and then click play on PC, download and play. Once you do that, an app called BlueStacks will download. Within that app, you're gonna want to search for Geometry Dash again and then download from there. So that is how you download this game. I hope it helps. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like and subscribe and comment for any questions that you may have. Thank you and goodbye.